Construction and ramp closures are coming to Interstate 405. The Oregon Department of Transportation has begun work to repair 42 joints on elevated sections of Interstate 405 on both sides of the Fremont Bridge and from I-405 north to US 26 west. These repairs will improve the condition and maintain the long-term safety and use of this heavily traveled freeway. The elevated areas of I-405 are connected by joints made of steel and concrete. Over time, these joints wear down from use and need to be fixed or replaced. Replacing and repairing the freeway joints will also even out the surface of the road, offering a smoother and safer ride. Construction is already underway and will continue through fall of 2020. The work will require periodic closures of some lanes, shoulders, and on and off ramps along I-405, US 30, I-5, and US 26. In addition, sidewalks, lanes, and parking spots on local roads may close as construction crews work overhead. Sign up for construction alerts at I-405ramps.org to learn about all detours and closures before they happen. We expect approximately 25 weekend closures of on and off ramps throughout the project area, along with frequent nighttime closures. Around-the-clock weekend closures will start as early as 8 p.m. on Fridays and will end by 10 a.m. on Mondays. US 30 will also experience 2 full multi-day closures. US 30 East to I-405 North will fully close for 18 days, and US 30 East to I-405 South will fully close for 11 days. Significant traffic congestion and delays may occur in the project area. Detour signs will direct travelers to alternate routes for all closures. As the project moves forward, we want to make sure that you know when ramp closures happen so that you can plan ahead. For updated information throughout construction, visit I-405ramps.org and sign up for construction alerts. We appreciate your patience while we improve I-405 and the surrounding freeways.